ounces of salmon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be giving you an update on my weight loss journey, and I'm also going to be telling you my new program that I'm going to be doing and what I'll be doing for my weight loss as well, if I'm going to be working out and stuff like that. So guys, I'm very excited, and I'm also going to show you like how I'm going to be prepping my meals and how I'm going to be eating, or what I'll be eating for the program. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so the weight loss update is I have been working out. I worked out for a good 2 months and 2 weeks. I did the whole program. I did a beach body workout, and I did the prep and the work, which is done by Emilio or Caesar, something like that. His name is Caesar. I'll put his name down in the link below. I have a beach body subscription, and that's where like I do my workouts in the morning and stuff like that, which was really nice. I would work up in the morning at 6 a.m. and I would work out before I would get the kids ready for school, which really worked out. And guys, I did not miss a day. I was faithful. I did the program. I'm so proud of myself. I haven't completed a workout. I haven't completed a workout program in like 6-7 years, guys. I'm always quitting here. I stop here because something happened or life happened. You know how everything is, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. And here in the clip over here, somewhere there, I'm going to show you. As you can see here, me struggling doing the workouts, and at the end, I'm doing well. You know, I'm strong. I grew some muscles and all that stuff, and I think I look good. You know, I still have weight to lose. I still have weight to lose, guys. I still have more weight to lose, guys, and I can't wait. I'm going to show you down at the end of the video my new body composition, you know, and then yeah guys, but right now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be eating for my new program, which is a low carb diet. I'm going to be doing a low carb diet, which is keto. And this is like, I'm making up these meals and stuff like that based on the knowledge that I acquired through my research, through all these years of trying and failing. And I finally found stuff that I like and healthy, and I want to eat more vegetables. You know, I want to eat more salads and stuff like that. And this year is my year. This is my year to lose weight. By January, when I turn 34, I want to look like, I want to be snatched everywhere. These are the stuff that I'm going to be using for this program. I'm going to be using this salmon. So salmon, I bought this from Trader Joe's and it was just like $9.49, and I'm going to be using for my salads or my meals. This is chicken breast, which I also got from Trader Joe's, which was $7.83. And I'm going to be using bacon beets that I got from Costco. And then guys, I'm going to be using these 2 cheeses for my salads. I'm so excited about this. I really love them. They are low carb. This is blue cheese, and guys, I am so obsessed with blue cheese. I love the taste. I love what it does to the salad and all that stuff, guys. So this is blue cheese that I got from Trader Joe's. It's about $3-4, and then they have this feta cheese as well. I love making my own Cobb salad at home with a twist, but yeah, I got this from Trader Joe's as well. It's like $2.99 or something like that. And for breakfast, guys, I'm going to be having the Atkins protein shake. I love these protein shakes because they're filling and they're low carb as well, and I get the protein that I need and stuff like that. So this is great. And then I'm going to also be having on the program like eggs. These are boiled eggs. I already boiled eggs because I've been eating this salad, you know, here and there. So these are boiled eggs, and I'm just going to like dice them on the salad and stuff like that. This is like a full meal, like a fulfilling meal. Like you feel satiated when you eat it and stuff like that. You'll see, guys. And also I'm going to be having eggs for breakfast. If I do have breakfast, that'll be like eggs with some bacon beets and I'll be trading between the two. And also guys, this is the romaine lettuce that I'll be using. I'll be using one romaine lettuce from here, and then I'll just dice it up in a bowl, and I'll have to finish the whole thing because you know they say you have to have like 7 cups of salads a day. But yeah guys, your girl is going to be a vegetarian. Let's see, 50% vegetarian. Yeah, so, and then the dressing guys, if you have never tried Trader Joe's ranch dressing, first of all, I am not a fan of ranch. I've never liked it. People like it on their wings and all that stuff, and I don't get it. But guys, I found this ranch. It's from Trader Joe's. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is the best. It is organic ranch dressing from Trader Joe's. It's like $4. Oh my god, this is the best. It tastes really nice. It's really good on my salad. I do not dip my wings with it. No, that takes away the flavor from the wings. But yeah guys, I'll show you how I do it, but you would love it. Try it out guys. Okay guys, so let's get cooking. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for breakfast. Just black pepper and red chili peppers flakes, crushed red pepper flakes, and 3 eggs plus bacon crumble. Cheese to it. You can add like cheese to it, shredded cheese or stuff like that, but I do not like adding cheese to my eggs, so this is good for me. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the salads. So this is the romaine, and it's already cut and washed, and I have my boiled eggs. This is 2 eggs. Can you imagine? It looks a lot. And I have my salmon. Here is the salmon guys. It looks delicious. It's well done. Yeah, to perfection, right? I have my feta cheese here. So I'm going to be making a salmon salad. Yeah, we'll just call it, this is Royce Nana's salad. So we're going to do 4 handfuls, which is like a cup. They say a hand cup, which is like a cup, or 1, 2, and 3. It looks a lot. Let's put some whites in there. Okay, so this is four handfuls. 4 handfuls, and then we're going to, this is the salmon. I'm going to get like a piece over here. We're going to crumble. Look at this. Whoa, this is good. It's well done. Yeah, you see that? So it fits in there, and then we're just going to crush it on the salad. So like this is half a cup of salmon. Not really, but we'll do like maybe 5 ounces of salmon. Okay, you see that? This is 2 eggs, just like that. Sprinkle. I like my boiled eggs to have like to be soft, a little bit soft on the middle. So yeah. And then this is 1/4 cup, which is almost like 2 ounces. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of bacon bits, and then we'll just do this, like sprinkle it around, make it look nice. You see that? That looks good. And then we'll use the same one. No, it's not completely, but you know, like a little less than 2 ounces or 1/4 cup of blue cheese. I mean, this is feta cheese. Just putting it over there. You see that? And then this is the same dressing. I had some, so I'm just going to show you how I drizzle. This is like 2 tablespoons. So we'll put like, yeah. Okay guys, so this is the salmon salad, Nana salmon salad. It has bacon bits, 2 eggs, and 4 handfuls of romaine lettuce, and it has the organic ranch dressing from Trader Joe's, which is like 2 tablespoons, 2 carbs. So this salad is going to be about 14 carbs. I'll do the right math. Yeah guys, I love it. Look at that. Okay guys, so I'm done making my lunches. So I'm done making my meals guys. So I'm going to show you again. So this is the Cobb salad. No, yeah, this is the Cobb salad with the chicken. Look at how delicious it looks. So again, this has romaine lettuce, 4 handfuls, and it has 2 boiled eggs diced, and then I have bacon crumble, 1/4 cup, and then I also have blue cheese, 1/4 cup, and with ranch, which is Trader Joe's organic ranch, which is like for 2 tablespoons is like about 110 calories plus for carbs it's only 2 grams of carbs. So if you do the math, like you do the math with this, it shouldn't be more than, this salad shouldn't be more than 12 to 13, about 10 to 12 carbs, 10 to 12 carbs. So yeah, so that's good. And here I have salmon. As we all know, salmon doesn't really have carbs because it's all fat and, you know, protein. So this is a protein, so this is like a rich salad. So this is, we have again 1/2 cup of salmon, we have 2 boiled eggs, and we also have blue cheese. No, we had, what do we have in here? Oh, in here we have feta cheese, 1/4 cup of feta cheese, and bacon crumble, and then we have the same dressing, which is from Trader Joe's, and I put about 2 tablespoons. So yeah, this is really good guys. It's healthy and it's also filling. Look at how big that salad looks like. I'm sorry if the video is looking a bit dark because the sun, we just lost sunlight. So yeah, But yeah guys, and then this is my breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm either having the Atkins shake. I don't know if you guys can see, protein shake, or I'm going to have just bacon with eggs. So this is three eggs. So I just fried this. It's 3 eggs with bacon crumble, about a 1/4 cup, or you can even do like 1/3 a cup. This will do. And if you want, you can put cheese on it, like maybe 1/4 cup of cheese, or just a little bit of cheese. You know, you can weigh and count based on your calorie needs and blah blah blah. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is just eggs with bacon bits, and I put like some black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes just to give it a spice. And so guys, this is what I would eat for breakfast. I would alternate between the two. And then the other thing, I'm going to include intermittent fasting. So with the intermittent fasting, my goal is to start having breakfast around 12. So if I eat at 11 to 12, if I can have breakfast at 12, then I can have like the protein shake, and I can have it together with the eggs over here. That will keep me full until my next meal, so that I can cut it down to 2 meals a day. That's my goal for the next 40 days, and I pray that I stick to it, guys. It's really been hard for me to especially when it comes to my diet. It's really been hard for me to stick to the meal plan and stuff like that. But if I just say I'll be eating salads, you can never go wrong, right? So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be eating on Nana's meal plan, or Roy's meal plan. So guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this meal plan goes. I'm going to start also, so this is going to be like a weight loss series, guys. So I'm going to focus a lot on my weight loss. So you'll see a lot of videos of my weight loss. This is going to be a series, and then I'll be like updating you every week, because I feel like if I update you guys every week, I'll be held accountable, and I'll be like, okay, I need to show results and stuff like that. So every week, once a week, I'm going to let you know on Sunday or on Monday, let you know how much weight I've lost. And then I will also change up the diet with time, you know, if we get tired of eating the same food. And then, but every week I'm going to let you guys know how much I've lost, or what I'm doing with my weight loss, or what kind of activities I'm doing, or exercises, or did I tweak anything, or did I change something, and all that. And I think it will help me. You guys will hold me accountable, and it will make me feel like, oh, I need to do this and stuff like that, because I am really struggling, guys, and I'm coming to you guys for help. We can help each other. If other people want to join in, you can join you. So the meals are very simple and stuff like that. So guys, wish me luck, and let's do this. And thank you so very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.